So this is the general information of the patient. If I try to click any part of this, nothing will happen because the application is initially in view mode of the database to prevent the user from accidentally changing or editing values that will be reflected to the database. This is initially in view mode because you don't usually edit information in the database, in a hospital database, but what you usually do is add. So it is initially in view mode. If you want to edit something, say update something like the status, you can click edit mode and then say outpatient, set that, and then this is a checkbox. If you click it, there will be a check on it, which means it is RH positive or he has this label here. And if I click it again, there will be no check, which means it's RH negative or he has nothing that what the label says there. So if I want to save the changes, there, click the save there. Now I have shown you how to edit information in the database. Now I will show you how to add information in the database. I've shown you how to edit before, how to add information, because adding is basically adding an element and then editing that element right after added. Say here, say I want to add a disease that I have just diagnosed from the patient. If there's no diagnosis date, this is the default date. So you want to, you can also input here using the keyboard. Okay, set that, and there. If I go back and I didn't click the save button from the menu, I will be asked there. There it is. This is now in the It's now reflected in the database, and that's how you add an element. I have added the element disease. Now that's how you add information in the database. Now I will show you how to synchronize this offline database that's in the phone with the online database. The online database is in a server which should be always online. And right now I have a local host which lets me access a server database there. If I try to refresh it, there are only 10 diseases, but we already added one disease. If we try to sync it, there it says this is synchronizing, and it will tell you that it is successful if it is successful. There, let's finish synchronizing that disease. So if we refresh this page, we should see another disease here. There, it's added from from when we synchronized it. And that's how you synchronize. Remember before that we edited this critical info, HIV positive. We should see that also reflected in the database.